Everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today in this video I'm going to help you how to work on the IXL maths topic in easy and simple way by following all the steps. The first step is you need to install the IXL maths and English from the Play Store. Click on Play Store and here type IXL maths and English. Click on this. So this is the app. So once you click on the install option, so here I have already installed this app, so that is the reason it is showing like this. So once you install this app, you need to click on the open button. After that you need to sign in. So before signing in, I want to give you few instructions. This app is useful for the students and the username and password will be given from the school. So click on the sign in option and type the username and down type the password. After that click on sign in option. The next step is on the top left side you can see here classes. So click on this. Here you can see the grade has been starting from the LKG to 12th. So you can choose any classes based on the class of the students. For example, if the child is studying in 5th class, so click on the 5th icon. If the child is studying in class 1, click on this. So I will be going to show you the demo how it works. So here you can see this is a main topic A, counting and number pattern. Under this there will be so many subtopics like counting review up to 10, count to fill a 10 frame, counting review up to 20. And if you scroll down you can see here the place value. Under the place value there are so many subtopics, correct? For example, if a child wants to solve this, so click on this F1. Add the double. So the child will going to count this number. So 1 plus 1 is equal to, answer is 2. So click on this and type 2 and click on submit. So whenever the child is answering each question, he or she will be awarded up. So it will going to boost the confidence in child. So this app is very useful and you must practice for at least 15 minutes. For example, if a teacher is teaching you any topic in school, so after that if a teacher is assigning any topic based on the today's class, so as soon as the child will going to perform that. And I'm going to show you the others topic as well. So this is a place value chart. So click on this B1. Which place value model shows 48? So 48 means 8 ones and 4 tens. So based on this the child will going to observe this place value model. So from this you can see that the first is a place value model of a 48. So click on this first and click on submit. So you can see this I was been awarded with keep it up. So this is how you can work on the IXL topic. So you can choose a grade based on the child is studying, and please make sure that the username and password will be given from the school only. And here you can see like on the right, this is my account. Here you can see the Jolly Singh, and here there are common settings. So if you click on settings, so what is the settings options talk about? For example, if you want to change the password, you can type here the current password and change it to new password. Again type the same password and click on save. So this is the setting option here, and the next option is here about us. So here you can see the everything, all the detail of this account, and contact us. If you have any query, if you want to ask anything, you can fill the following information and you can click on the submit. And the last one is sign out. You can just click on sign out and you will automatically come out from that IXL account. So I hope you have understood like how to work on the IXL topic. So please work on this IXL maths topic. It is very useful for the children, and it will automatically, it will increase the confidence in your children, and they will not have the fear of maths. That is why the IXL account has been created to help the children. Because what happened, like the children are really very small, they loves to work with the very so many activities and so many creative parts, correct? So if they are doing this every day, you can see that the improvement in the child work. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on the like button, do share, and please do comment on it how you like this video. Thank you.